First at 10, the Ohio Bureau of Criminal Investigation released its 2023 data for use of force investigations.
Now, this report details officer-involved critical incidents across Ohio and describes any legal action taken as a result of these findings. 2 News reporter Leah Seabrooks is digging deeper into these numbers and following up on use of force investigations that we saw in 2023.
Brooke and John, Attorney General Dave Yost says it's about transparency. Even though Ohio law enforcement agencies investigate their own incidents, this report is an independent assessment of each case.
It's critically important that we have a professional, independent, expert investigation that has a transparent ending.
The Ohio Bureau of Criminal Investigation investigated 58 OICIs in 2023, nearly the same amount of cases as the year before. These investigations include the shooting death of Jalen Walker in Akron. This happened in June of 2022. The 25-year-old was shot 46 times. The shooting involved 8 officers who fired a combined 94 shots in less than 7 seconds. According to Akron police, those officers' actions were in compliance with the use of force guidelines. Other incidents described in the report include the fatal August 24th shooting of a 21-year-old pregnant woman. Takaya Young was suspected of shoplifting. When officers approached the vehicle, they told her to get out of the car. Young reportedly accelerated toward the officers, who responded by shooting. Just 1 day later in the Miami Valley, the shooting death of 24-year-old Corey Andrews in Salina. On August 25th of 2023, the young man, his girlfriend, and their baby were inside of a vehicle parked at Eastview Park. Officers say when they approached his vehicle, Andrews refused to give them identification, and the incident escalated. One officer nearly struck by Andrews' vehicle, causing officers to open fire. Following the internal investigation, Salina Police Chief Tom Whale defended the response of his officers.
It is my belief at this point in time they followed policy to the T. They were acting in defense of their lives and the lives of one another.
Non-shooting use of force investigations include the death of 62-year-old Antonio Lewis. In June of 2023, Lewis was involved in an accident. Dayton police responded, handcuffed Lewis, and shortly after the encounter, he was dead. The Montgomery County coroner determined Lewis's cause of death, citing a brain injury likely caused by cocaine use, and not the police. This case is still ongoing. It is currently being further investigated by the family's lawyer, Michael Wright. These deadly incidents are why Attorney General Yost says these yearly reviews of investigations are necessary.
So people know that it was fairly looked at and justified, or that there was accountability for the use of force.
The Attorney General's office says that these investigations only seek facts and circumstances in these reported incidents. They do not determine fault in a case. In studio, Leah Seabrooks, 2 News.